Hi friends, I'm Arasi. Welcome to Groovy Mathematics. In our past video, we discussed about the uh, base multiplication, a number above the base and a number below the base for bases 10 and 100, isn't it? Yes. And today we are going to discuss about the same method, a number above the base and other number below the base, but for the higher bases. Can we go to the problem? Come on. First sum is 1002 into 998. See, first what we have to find here, we have to find the base for these numbers, isn't it? Yes. The numbers is 1002 and 998. Both the numbers 1002 and the 998 are closer to the base 1000, isn't it? So the base for this problem is 1000 and 1002 is above the base and 998 is below the base. Okay. Then what we have to do? I'm going to split my answer into two parts, that is the LHS and my RHS. For my LHS, what I have to do? I'll be taking the numbers directly. The numbers here is 1002 and 998. So I'm taking the numbers directly. And for RHS, what I have to do? I have to subtract these numbers by the base. Base here is 1000. So I have to subtract these number by the base 1000. So subtracting what I will be getting 2 and minus 2 as my RHS. Okay. Next what I have to do for getting the LHS, next step of the LHS or the answer of the LHS. For that I have to go for the cross addition. So cross adding the digits will give me the LHS answer. 1002 minus 2 or 998 plus 2 gives me the 1000. And for my RHS, I have to go for the product of the answers which I have got by subtracting the number by the base. So it's 2 into minus 2 is equal to minus 4. Okay, hold on. Next step, what I have to do? I have to check the number of digits in the RHS, isn't it? Yes. See, in RHS, I'm having only a single digit. But in the base, how many zeros are there? There are three zeros. Then what I have to do? The number of digits in the RHS should correspond to the number of digits in the zeros in the base, isn't it? Yes, so I'm going to make this 4 as a 4-digit number by just adding a 20 before the 4. So now it has become a 4-digit, sorry, 3-digit number. And now again everyone will be having a small doubt whether we have to make the 0 also under bar or we have to leave the 0 for the bar. Please consider here RHS itself a negative number. So the whole 004, all the three numbers together will have the bar. So 1002 into 998 will be 1000,004 bar. Converting this number, the Vinculum number, which I have got as the answer, to the whole number. For that, what I have to do? I have to first initially split my number into the two parts, that is the positive part and my bar number part. For my positive part, I have to go for the ekanunum. That is, I have to reduce that number by 1. And for my bar number part, I have to go for Nikilam Navatas Charamam Dashita. I am going to apply that Suddhara there. And by applying it, what I will be getting? The answer will be 999996, isn't it? Yes. And then 1002 into 998 is equal to 999996. Okay. Come, let's go for the next problem. Next problem is 1013 into 998. Wow, it's a very nice problem. What I have to do? First, I have to find the base. Yes, 1013 and 998 is closer to which base? Both are closer to the base. 1000, isn't it? Yes, so the base here is 1000. What will be my next step? I have to go for the LHS and my RHS. For my LHS, what I am supposed to do, I have to take the numbers directly. And for my RHS, I have to subtract these number by the base 1000. So subtracting these number by the base 1000 gives me the RHS, which is 13 and minus 2. Okay, yes, because 1013 minus 1000. So subtracting, I'm getting it. And next, for my next step, for getting the LHS of the next step, what I have to do? I have to go for the cross addition of the number with the RHS. That is the subtracted value which I have got as the resultant. Okay, subtract, cross adding it, what I'll be getting? I'll be getting 1011. Okay, and for my RHS, what I have to do? I have to multiply the products, multiply the numbers which I have got by subtracting the number by the base. So it becomes minus 26. Okay, again check the number of digits in the RHS. Is it number? How many digits should be there? They should be 3 digits because the base has 3 zeros. But here the number of the digits in the RHS is only 2. So I am going to make it a 3 digit by adding a 0 before it. So it becomes 0, 2, 6, or where should be the bar? Bar should be for all the 3 digits. So it's 026 bar, whole bar. Okay, because the RHS itself are negative number. So I'm making it as 026 bar. Okay, then what will be my answer? 1013 into 998 is equal to 1011026 whole bar. And converting this Vinculum number to the whole number, for that what I have to do, I'm going to go for Econunum of the number for the positive part of the number and Niculum for the negative part of the number. Econunum of 1011 is equal to 1010 and Niculum of 026 is equal to 974. Okay, yes. Okay, next what will be the answer? So that 1013 into 998 is equal to 1010974. Okay, is it quite easy? Okay, come, let's go for another one problem. The number here is, wow, somewhat bigger number. It's 10,004 into 9,997. Okay, what would be the base for these numbers? 10,004 and 9,997. Both the numbers are closer to which base? Both are closer to the base 10,000. So the base of this number is 10,000. So what I'll be taking the base as the 10,000, and next I'm going to split my answer into two parts, that is my LHS and my RHS. And for my LHS, what I have to do, I'll be taking the numbers directly, so it becomes 10,004 and 9,997. For RHS, I'm going to subtract this number by the base 10,000. Okay, so subtracting this by the base 10,000 will give me 4 and minus 3. Okay, I have got the LHS and my RHS first part. So what would be the answer of my LHS and my RHS? For that, what I have to do? For my LHS, I am going to cross add the number and the answer which I got by subtraction. And for my RHS, I will be multiplying the answers which I have got by subtracting the number by the base. So my LHS will be 10,001 and my RHS is minus 12. And hold on, again check the number of digits in the RHS. The number of zeros in the base is 4, but the number of digits in the RHS is 2. So I have to make the number of digits in the RHS 4. So what I am going to do? I am going to add just 2 more zeros before the number. The preceding zeros doesn't change the value of a number, but the succeeding zeros changes the value of the number, isn't it? So we can add as many zeros as we need preceding a number. It doesn't change the value. But as it is a part of the answer, it changes the value of the answer which we will be getting. So it's much important to add the zeros here, and the whole number with the zero is a negative number, as RHS is the negative number. Just consider it, don't forget it. RHS is the negative number, so the zeros will also be covered under the bar. Okay, so my answer is 10,004 into 9,997 is equal to 1001012 whole bar. Okay, now I have to convert this vinculum number to a whole number. For that, what I'll be doing, I'm going to split the number into two parts, the positive part and the bar number part. For the positive part, I'll be going for Eken unum, and for my bar number part, I'll be going for the Niculum of the number. The Eken unum of 10,001 is equal to 10,000, and the Niculum of 0012 is equal to 9988. So my answer 10,004 into 9,997 is equal to 100009988. Okay, is it easier or not? If you practice it, you will be able to solve these problems within 5 to 10 seconds. One and only if you practice it. You have to be thorough with the way of solving the base multiplication and the method of solving the vinculum. Vinculum, you needn't go for this step. Just write the answers directly. If you're capable of doing so, then you can surely complete these problems within 5 or 10 seconds. Okay, okay, if you have any doubt, just mail me or share it in the comment box. And if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe and share with your friends too. Okay, bye.